Go ahead and comment great morning, not a good morning. Go ahead and comment great morning and ask me why. Why I should say great morning, not a good morning. I can see a lot of people are saying why. Let me tell you why. Why? The reason is there is a big difference in good and great. जमीन आसमान का फर्क है good में and great में. In our life, we have four options, four things to choose. Okay, worst, bad, good, great. Are you getting it? Worst, bad, good, and great. And now tell me which option you will choose. Tell me. Wow, everybody is talking about great. If you want to achieve greatness in your life, you have to always choose great. I'm telling you, my friend, in our life, lot of time we get these two options. When we get any opportunity, there is a good opportunity and there is a great opportunity. We have to choose great always. Let me give an example right now. That how many of you know Sylvester Stallone? Sylvester Stallone, the Rocky Balboa. How many of you know? Just type me. Rocky Balboa, Sylvester Stallone. Just type me. He had $25 in his packet. Okay, even he sold his loved one dog just to have food. And once he got a script of Rocky movie, he got a lot of time opportunity that they are ready to pay $100,000, and he said no. Then they said $300,000 we will give, but you will not be a hero in our picture. He said no, I want to be hero in my own picture in the story. He said no for having $300,000 when he had no money for food. Then they offer $1 million to him, but still he said no if I'm not into that picture in that movie. Just imagine. Now tell me, having $1 million when we don't have money is a good option, right? Maybe some people think that's a great option and they will choose, and if he had choose that good option, which was getting $1 million and giving a script and leave everything, maybe he would not be a legend right now. But what he chose, I will, if I get even $20,000, that's good for me, but I will be hero in my picture. That's called the great option. That's called the great. Now tell me guys, is there a big difference in good and great? जमीन आसमान का फर्क है कि नहीं मुझे बताओ. Is there a big difference in good and great? That's why we should always choose great over good. That's why I want from now, if you are in my community, you should always say great for all the things. Even if it is a morning, say great morning, say great afternoon, say great evening. So that's why I always choose great option. Always. How many of you loved it? Just I've loved it. And this is the biggest why I always say great. And you should also say great morning every single day. Awesome guys, thank you so much for saying that. Now what we are going to do is, how many of you got into energy now because of this thought? Just type energy if you got into the energy right now, because we are going to follow some structure right now in this training. We are going to do a meditation from our Dr. Priyank, whatever he guided us yesterday. How many of you are here from yesterday? Just type wow. If you are here from yesterday, you were here yesterday and you have experienced that magical meditation, we are going to experience it again. Just type wow. I can see a lot of people are here from yesterday. How many of you are excited to start that meditation right away in just next 2 minutes? Let me know. Just type excited. Just type excited. Just type excited. Wow. Awesome, guys. Let me see. Okay, guys, we are going to get started. Before that, I want everyone to sit, relax, and he's going to guide us everything step by step. Okay. Let me share the screen right now. Before that, I would like to know that where, okay, give me a second. Okay, guys, go ahead right now and tell me from which city you are, because when we are going to do meditation, as Dr. Priyank said, that when we are doing this meditation, just imagine we are from different cities. It will really help us. So guys, tell me from where you are, from which city from India. Let me know. You can see, wow, oh my God, Pune, Nashik, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata, Shimla, Belapur, Visakhapatnam, Pune, Bihar. Oh my God, Lucknow, Chandigarh, Kanpur, Bihar, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Navi Mumbai. I'm from Navi Mumbai, Jammu. Oh my God, you can see these guys. Awesome. In the early morning, you hundreds of people are from Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Nashik, Delhi. I'm so grateful for all of you guys, and we are going to do meditation to spread the positivity in this lockdown time, in this pandemic time. We are the person who are working on this positive energy, and it's going to help us to grow. It's going to help us to give energy to other people. And once we're done, I want you to help other people. Awesome. Manipur, Mumbai. Awesome, guys. Let's get started. Let's start our session now. Wow. I love this. Now I'm going to share a screen where we're going to get started. Okay. How many of you are able to see this screen? Just type MVP. He's going to get started right now. Just type MVP in the comment box if you're able to see this. Okay. He's ready with his closed eyes because you can see this. Awesome, guys. Okay.
Just close your eyes.
Just close your eyes.
Please close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale the relaxation. Exhale the stress. Inhale the light. Exhale all the worries and darkness. Let's set an intention for this session. Invoke the blessings of whichever God or Guru, whomever you follow. Invoke the blessings from the higher energies, from the entire universe. Please bless us with this meditation process to reprogram our system, to prime up our system, so that we can do the best in our life, for our family, for this.
Guys, audio was little down in the starting, so I will start it again. I will take 20 seconds back, okay, so that we can get started, guys. So this will be for 10 to 12 minutes, and let's get started. Close your eyes. I'm gonna start it right now. Let's get into that energy. 3, 2, 1, start.
Please close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale the relaxation. Exhale the stress. Inhale the light. Exhale all the worries and darkness. Let's set an intention for this session. Invoke the blessings of whichever God or Guru, whomever you follow. Invoke the blessings from the higher energies, from the entire universe. Please bless us with this meditation process to reprogram our system, to prime up our system, so that we can do the best in our life, for our family, for the society, for the world. Like there is still water, and just a drop or just a small stone creates a massive ripple effect. May my life be a massive ripple effect across the globe. Remember the thing you are super highly grateful for. You are grateful for the food you are regularly having, or some award you got, or you are grateful for family. Feel the immense gratitude. You are grateful for Purushottam, this community, this knowledge of video marketing skills. Whatever you are grateful for, feel the immense gratitude within you. Feel the happiness, feel the joy, feel the excitement. Where there is gratitude, there is no chance of fear. Feel the immense gratitude for the electricity you have. Feel the immense gratitude for the mobile which you have. It said, if you are not already thankful for what you have, why will universe give you more? Feel the immense gratitude. The more gratitude you feel, you vibrate at a higher state of vibration, and the more you receive. Keep your eyes closed. At your heart center, at your chest center, remember the person you love the most. Remember the person you love the most. Your mom, your dad, your spouse, your children, your God, Guru, whom you love the most. Feel the immense love towards that individual. Feel 10 times more deeper love than what you are feeling right now. Feel the 10 times more deeper love and compassion towards the individual than what you are feeling right now. Let the feeling of love expand, expand, expand. Feel 10 times more deeper love and compassion towards them right now. Feel as if it's like forming a beautiful ball of light, full of love and compassion at your chest center. And visualize this ball of light expanding around your body. ऐसे विजुलाइज कीजिए आप बॉडी के चारों तरफ ये बॉल एक्सपैंड हो चुका है, फुल ऑफ लव एंड कंपैशन, एंड यू आर इमर्स्ड इन दिस बॉल ऑफ लव, बॉल ऑफ लाइट. Visualize entire universe on top of your head. And request universe, this universe is ready to bless you with all the required love, all the required abundance energies into your system to manifest your goals, dreams and desires. Request universe, please bless us with all the abundance energies. From the universe, visualize a beautiful waterfalls like energies flooding from the universe into your system. And your entire system is like an empty bottle. Your entire system from bottom to top is filling up with all the abundance energies full of light into your entire system. Your entire system is filled up with all these divine blessings, and it's overflowing from your system to enter into the entire room, into the entire light ball you are inside in. Through the universe, through you, like a bulb radiates light in all directions. Visualize your light projecting in all directions, filled into the entire room, into the entire building. Keep expanding your light into the entire city. Expanding your light into the entire state. The light is keeping on expanding like bulb radiates light in all directions. You are center of this light. Keep expanding the light into the entire country, into entire earth, as much as you can expand into the entire universe. Keep on expanding, keep on expanding. Now visualize you are 90 days ahead from the date today. Whatever date is today, you are 90 days further from the date today. And looking back last 90 days, you beautifully took massive actions. you started taking amazing actions. You started taking Video Mastery Challenge seriously. You started taking the advanced courses. You started learning how to make money online and started building your own online courses, own businesses. Through the video skills, you are expanding your own businesses. Visualize how your bank balance is beautifully increasing with multiple streams of income. Visualize how your bank balance is increasing with your multiple bank accounts. Visualize how multiple streams of income you are getting, how new clients you have got in last 90 days. Visualize how you're financially free, your mind is free, your emotions are free from all the financial worries. Visualize how you grew your influence massively. Your influence has grown massively to thousands of people. Thousands of people are following your videos, consuming your content, like you are viral sensation across the globe. Visualize how your relationships has beautifully transformed. Lots of love and compassion with your family members, with your friends. Visualize your health, meditating regularly, how you are free from your stress, free from your anxiety. Visualize your ideal shape of the body, you got into ideal weight of your physical body. Ideal shape, your muscular body, your belly, your organs are totally healed and healthy. Life is holistically expanded and you're enjoying the freedom lifestyle with lots of love, lots of compassion, lots of gratitude, with right mentors in your life. You're financially abundant, health-wise abundant, spiritually abundant, relationship-wise abundant. Bring all the expanded energies from the entire universe, all these visualization energies from the entire universe. Slowly back towards this room. Slowly bring all the light back inside your body. And have the intention. May all these energies physicalize and materialize into my system immediately right now. Feel the immediate shift in the cells of your entire system. Let's express gratitude to the Supreme God. Thank you to the God, Guru, whomever you have invoked. Thank you. Thanks to this community, every person involved in this meditation process. Thank your own self for giving yourself the opportunity for going through this session. Thanks to your coach, your mentor, for organizing this session. Thanks to the internet, the tools, man-made equipment in making this happen. And have the intention, I am deeply rooted to Mother Earth, strongly connected to Mother Earth. I am deeply rooted, grounded, and strongly connected to Mother Earth. When you feel totally relaxed and refreshed, you may gently, slowly open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Welcome back. How are you feeling? Share in the comments. Are you feeling lighter, joyful, high energy, vibrating? How are you feeling? Share in the comments.
Oh my God. I can feel that energy. In between, I was started getting. Guys, share your feelings, whatever you're feeling right now. We are just done with the meditation. You can see the glow on me right now also. The happiness from inside. Share your feelings. Enjoyed like anything. Good now, inner side. Awesome, awesome, lighter, wonderful, radiant, positive. I did along with my mom. Energy increased 10,000%. Wow, so calm, vibrating, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Dr. MV Priyank. Our gratitude will be always there, and we are so grateful. The whole community of Video Making Mastery will be always grateful for you. Just show love to MVP. Just type love MVP. We have to show the gratitude to our new guru MVP. Just type love MVP. You can see this love MVP, love MVP. Wow, the awesome, awesome. God bless you, everyone. Thank you so much for joining this meditation. So, guys, wow. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you so much for being here. Now, let's get started with our session of morning rituals. So, tell me, how many of you are excited for the morning ritual, guys? Just type MR. Just type MR for the morning ritual. MR for the morning rituals. Awesome, awesome. Can you see this? If you're able to see this, just type MR again. Okay. I'm going to make it full screen. Let me stop this. Wow. Zen mode. This is our morning ritual. Inside morning ritual, even I have a file, right, where we can do this. But we have here announcement. Let me talk before getting started. On the 17th, means tomorrow, we have a speaker, Sushil Dhanawde. He's gonna give us the exercises plan, and also he's a hypnotherapist. He's a master of mind, a subconscious mind. A lot of things he's gonna share with you, and he will go into your mind. If you have any mind blocks, if you have problems, if you are stuck somewhere in your life, he's gonna clear all those thoughts. Just type Sushil. You can type SD in the comment box if you are excited for his session tomorrow. Just type SD, or you can do like SD 100%, because if you will be there 100%, just type SD 100%, SD 100%. Wow. And I'm telling you guys, you will be never same. The way we have got a lot of energy, knowledge from Dr. MV Priyank, likewise we are gonna get from Sushil Dhanawde also. Okay, he will blown your mind with the mindset part, and also he's going to give us exercise. So we are right now calm and relaxed, just sitting at a place. But tomorrow he will move you with the action. How many of you are ready to move? Just type move. Because tomorrow we are going to have exercises, guys. We are going to have exercises like warm-up kind of exercises. Also we are working on your mind. Also we work on our health. We will work on our video making skill. Everything is here. Okay, just type loved it if you are loving this. Just type loved it if you are loving this. Just type loved it. Wow. Awesome, awesome, everybody. Just type loved it. Thank you so much. Now we're gonna get started with our morning ritual. Okay. I hope you have all started your day with smile. Guys, type smile if you have started your day with the smile. Just type smile in the comment box if you have started your day with the smile. Go ahead, type smile in the comment box. Wow, I can see a lot of smileys, everyone. And I'm telling you, you're gonna feel that smile in upcoming 21 days, because at least 21 days we have to give. Okay. Our next thing is, we have already done with the meditation, guys. Wow. Next thing is drink water. Guys, go ahead, get some water for yourself. Drink water. Let's start our session with the water. Just type water if you are drinking water. Awesome. Awesome. Guys, what I'm doing, can you see this? I have planned this morning ritual. And what I did, instead of me going through this meditation, I have bring expert for you for the meditation. Okay. And after that, we are drinking water, and I can teach you how to drink water. I'm expert at it. Okay. Okay. That's why I'm showing you this. And next thing is, we have to get into the energy, right? For this, please type lol. Okay, I can teach you how to drink water only. So now, for the next we have is getting into the energy, getting into the motion. And for getting into the motion, I am also bringing expert into our community. The name is Sushil Lenaude. Again, type SD in the comment box. He's gonna guide you on how you can have great energy in the early morning. And we will, once he done with the that morning's the exercise session, then we will do this session at this time, the way we completed meditation right away, right? Likewise, we will do the same. Okay. Just type smart. Just type smart. Just type smart. Wow. Okay. We are smart, everybody. We are smart now. Okay. Now let's go to the next session we need to have. What is the next session? Is our mission. How many of you have written your mission? Type me, or you can type mission. How many of you have written down your own mission? Just type mission in the comment box. Just type mission in the comment box. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now let's get started. Let's read mission. Can you see this? I got a payment right now. Somebody join Video Making Mastery, but this person will get in tomorrow morning session. Okay. You can see this, while we are doing this morning session, still right now 2 to 3 people have joined Video Making Mastery. This is how we will expand everything. Just I've loved it. Now if you see, I'm every moment I'm moving towards my mission. Every moment I'm talking about, every moment I'm moving toward my mission, because I'm following all these things. Let's start reading our mission statement. I, Purushottam Hamberde, see, know, hear, and feel that the purpose of my life is to even be even more fully alive, grow, and make a difference in 1 million lives by teaching them how to master video making skill and monetize it to achieve freedom in their life. Wow. This is my mission statement. I hope you have read your mission statement. Just type done. Just type done. Let's go to the next, values and rules. The first one is health and energy is my number one value. I, Purushottam Hamberde, see, know, hear, and feel that I am healthy and energetic. Wow. Let's get started. Next is my rules, beliefs about what it takes for me to be healthy and energetic. I am healthy and energetic anytime I consume healthy fruits and vegetables, or drink water, or do anything that enhances my physical well-being. Guys, one more thing you have to do for enhancing your physical well-being is waking up in early morning. How many of you agree with this thought? Just type morning if you agree with my thought that you need to wake up early in the morning if you truly want to have the well-being. Just type morning. And here is one more surprise for you. Just type surprise. Just type surprise in the comment box. We have one surprise after this morning ritual. After this morning ritual, let me share with you that surprise. Let me share with you that surprise. Okay. Let me share with you that surprise, guys. Can you see this? Can you see this? 10 reasons why you should not sleep in the morning. I'm going to give you 10 reasons because I already told you, you are my family and I will do whatever it takes. Maybe somewhere the people, when I asked you that we need to wake up early morning, some people maybe not replied morning. And for them, it's my responsibility. Those who are waking up early morning, I'm happy for you. But those who are not able to wake up, I'm here to support. I'm going to give you 10 strong reasons why you should not sleep in the morning. Just type wow. Just type wow in the comment box. Just type wow in the comment box, because I'm here to do whatever it takes. Okay? Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. Just type let's do whatever it takes. Awesome. So now let's get started. Empowering beliefs. Empowering beliefs. First is I love myself. Type love in the comment box. Just say this with me. I love myself. What I do today shapes my today and creates my tomorrow. Nothing tastes as good as being healthy and fit feels. Say it out loud, my friend. Let your family think you are crazy, because you are crazy enough to achieve your great results. I eat to fuel my body, not to satisfy an appetite. I am generous and loving every day. You can say the happiness. I'm generous and loving every day. Next is power virtues. Let's get into the power, guys. Power. Let's be Shaktiman right now. I, Purushottam Hambarde, see, know, hear, and feel that I am confident. I, Purushottam Hambarde, see, know, hear, and feel that I am determined. I, Purushottam Hambarde, see, know, hear, and feel that I am loving. I, Purushottam Hambarde, see, know, hear, and feel that I am happy. Just type happy. Just type confident. Just type determined. Just type loving if you're feeling those feelings. Are you feeling confident? Just type confident. Are you feeling determined? Just type determined. Are you feeling loving? Just type loving. Are you feeling happy? Just type happy. Wow, this is what you need in the starting. Not only the breakfast. You need this ingredient in your life. Again, type loved it. Love this thought. You need this ingredient to start your day. Not just water, not just breakfast. You need confidence. You need your determination. You need to be loving. You need to be happy. Okay? This is a recipe for you, my friend. I'm making a recipe for you. Okay? As I'm a family member, I'm a mother for your energy. I'm a mother for your energy. Awesome, awesome. Let's get started. Our ultimate vision and goals. I hope, guys, you have written down your goals. I hope your goal card with you of video making mastery, that you are going to master video making mastery in 30 days. Do whatever it takes to follow the challenge. And I want to tell you guys, those who are following the challenge, after completing 10 days, don't just stop. Okay? I want you to make videos every single day. If you are not able to make structured videos, keep making the videos the way you are doing. You have multiple topics, right? Just type, I have topics to speak on. You have topics to speak on every day. So don't just stop because of not having equipments. Maybe because of lockdown, you are not able to order this webcam. Maybe you don't have some equipments. Maybe you don't have mic. Don't worry about it. You have a mobile. Just start making videos through mobile. Okay? And I'm going to share more ideas, more thoughts, more knowledge very, very, very soon to you. Let's go through the morning ritual first. Okay? But just don't stop, guys. I know I want you to get this habit, and habit we follow lifelong. Just type lifelong. If you're going to follow making videos every single day, lifelong, not just for first 10 days, not just for 20 days, not for 30 days. If you truly want to change others' life, we need to do this lifelong. Just type lifelong in the comment box. Wow. Wow. So guys, let's go through the goals. I'm easily and I'm happy and grateful now that by December 2020, I'm easily following, I'm easily and successfully following the morning ritual every day by December 31st, 2020. Just type 100%. I want you to follow this morning ritual 100%. Okay. Awesome, guys. I'm easily and successfully be 72 kg at 10% body fat by following proper diet and regular gym by December 31st, 2020. Right now, we don't have gym, but we can do whatever it takes by sitting at home. I'm easily and successfully read one book per month and 12 books by December 31st, 2020. Honestly, I'm not investing a lot of time in reading books. but I'm going to do one thing, that I'm going to listen books, because that's how I can save my time. Okay. I am easily and successfully write one English word per day by December 31st, 2020. I am easily and successfully traveling. Right now, I need to skip this goal for now. So whatever the goals you have, please recall those goals right now. Okay. Now let's get started with the empowering questions. Just type Q if you are ready for this empowering question. Just type Q. Just type Q if you are ready for the empowering questions. Okay. Let's get started. What am I happy about in my life right now? Let's do one thing, guys. Let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. Just type what. Just type what. Let's do one thing. I got one idea now. Just type what. Just type what. I got one idea. Wow. I want. How many of you are with your family member? Just type me. How many of you are here right now with your family member? Just type me. How many of you? Even if your daughter, son, wife, girlfriend, whatever it is, just type me. Awesome. 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 I want you to ask this question to your partner, whoever it is, your mother, your father, whoever it is. If you are watching with together right now, or if they are sitting somewhere, if they're sleeping, wake them up. Hey, please ask me this question. Okay. Just kidding, don't don't wake up, just kidding. Okay. Now if you don't have anybody, ask to yourself. But okay, if you have, okay, you can ask this to yourself also. Okay. What am I happy about in my life right now? Your partner can ask you why you are happy. What is that one thing because of you are happy in your life right now? Okay. You can ask each other and answer right away. Okay. Why you are excited about, for what you are excited about in your life? You can ask this question to your partner. You can respond right away. That you can do, or you can answer to yourself also. Okay. What am I excited about in my life right now? I'm super excited in my life right now to start my upcoming webinar for video making mastery. I'm excited for helping next level people. Right now I'm starting new course. I'm excited for that. A lot of things are there. Okay. Now, what am I proud of in my life? I'm super proud of in my life because I, for my all decisions I took in my life, I'm super proud because whatever the name my dad given to me, my dad given me name Purushottam even before me born, and he had this thought in his mind that I will be like a Purushottam, and I'm feeling proud that now he's satisfied with the name he have given to me, and I'm so proud of that name. I'm so proud that I'm able to be capable person to, like, to suit for my name. How many of you feel that I am suitable for my name? My name is Purushottam. Okay. How many of you think I'm suitable for my name? Awesome, thank you so much, and for that I'm so proud of it. Next is, what am I grateful for in my life? I'm so grateful for having my video making mastery family, for my own family, and my younger brother. Because of him, I am like growing 50% faster. Okay. I'm telling you, when he was not here, I was alone here for 5 years. I was growing. But once he came here, right now like, he's everything for me here. Okay. You should also feel grateful for him, because of him you are also getting a lot of things in your life right now. I have just shown you this mind map of 10 reasons, and I got this idea at 3 a.m. in the morning, and I sent him this message. Hey, Jairaj, I want to talk about these 10 things in the morning. Please make the mind map. He woke up in the morning, okay, and he had a brush, he got fresh, and then he made this mind map for you all, okay? And I'm going to show you that mind map to you. Just type grateful for Jairaj. Even I am super grateful for my brother. Just type grateful for Jairaj. Just type grateful for Jairaj. Okay. So there are a lot of things we have in our life to feel grateful for. Okay. Right now, how many of you think that you have a family member in your life, but we have never shown the gratefulness to them? We have never said them thank you. We have never said them thank you so much, mom, for being in my life. You are the best mom of this world for me, and I'm so grateful, and you did hug. Just tell me honestly that if you are not done this, Okay, there is nothing bad into that. Maybe you will start doing right now. Just type say not. Just type not if you are not have done this. You have not said like feeling grateful about your mom, your sister, maybe your dad, maybe your brother, because we are very close to them. So we, how many of you feel embarrassed, or like how many of you feel weird to say thank you and hug them? How many of you feel weird? Just type weird. How many of you feel uncomfortable to say that? Why? Because we don't have this ritual from our childhood. We have not learned these things from childhood, which is very, very important for us to have better relationship in our life. See, I'm also talking about relationship here now. But once you do this, I'm telling you, you will feel the best person on this planet. Just like I want to be the best person on this planet. Okay? I know we feel uncomfortable. I know we feel we don't feel that great to directly go and say I'm thank you so much for our dad or mom. Okay, because we think like yes, we are grateful, I'm happy, but we should say, unless and until you show and say how you will get that thing in your life. If you want, I'm telling you today itself. Okay, if you are with your family member right now, I want you to hug. I want you to hug each other if you are with your family member right now. And if you are not, whenever you come across, I want you to say them, I love you. Okay, I'm so grateful to have you in my life. Hug them. And I'm telling you from today, your environment of your home is going to change. The environment of your home, the energy of your home, the happiness, the relationship, everything can change with a small gesture, a very, very small gesture. And this can change the whole energy of your home. Just type wow. Just type wow with this thought. This small gesture can change the whole energy of your home. And that is a route for you to grow in your life, because only your family member, when they support, you will grow fast. You don't need a lot of financial support. You don't need a lot of money to grow in your life. You need your family support. Their belief in you. Their one sentence is like, go and do it, I'm with you. This single sentence can help you to achieve all your dreams. Not only the money, my friend. My dad didn't have money to give me, to give financial support. I would have never take this kind of action if my dad had a lot of money. Okay, we had no money for even having food. He had no money for paying rent for my sister where she lives in a Nanded. Okay, we have multiple family, like joint families, so we didn't have money. But my dad believed in me. I always used to say, love you dad. आपके जैसा डैड मुझे लाइफ में मतलब वही what I'm talking about. But still, I am so like the best dad in the world for me. Okay, I got a little bit emotional that way. I'm not able to speak properly for my dad, but I like he's the best person on this planet for me, and I will do whatever it takes for him to give a great lifestyle. And जान दे सकता हूँ मेरे डैड के लिए यार, मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. I can do anything for my dad. Okay, so that kind of uh, and when I said that he's to support me, you need that support, not money. Just I've loved it. Just I've love over money, support over money, family over money, family. Okay, awesome, awesome, guys. The people who are not getting my voice, the problem from your system, because if you see in the comment box, a lot of people are getting the comments. Okay, guys, when you're commenting, choose all penalties and attendees. Okay, choose all penalties and attendees when you're commenting. Okay, choose all penalties and attendees. Everybody should see the comments. Wow, what am I passionate about in my life? I'm so passionate to teach you video making skill, and also I'm passionate to teach you how you can monetize your knowledge, your skills, your experiences, your success, and everything. I also want to help you monetize your time. Just type time. Just type time if you want to monetize your time. Right now, if you see, I'm monetizing my time. I'm investing my time with you, but still I'm monetizing my time. Just type time, because the people who monetize the time are going to achieve the freedom in their life. Just type time freedom. Okay. Then what am I committed to in my life right now? If you see my commitment, I'm committed to be here every single day 7 a.m. I'm committed to give over deliver the value. I'm committed to be one of the great mentor on the planet, to guide his student, not just to give information, but to bring transformation in their life, bring results into their life, and impact in millions of lives. I am committed for that. Just type I am committed. If you are also committed to do something great in your life, just type committed. Now, who do I love? Who loves me? Now say, my dad loves me a lot. He can't live without calling me every single day, at least for once or two times. Okay, my mom, my sister, my younger brother Jairaj, and I love them a lot. I can't live without Video Making Mastery family. That's why I wanted to interact with you all the time. That's why I said I will wake up every single day and I will be here. Okay, just type who loves you. Just type just type the name right now. Not only name, you can say daughter, son, whatever it is. Just type the name. Or if that person is around you, just beside you, just say I love you. Just say I love you to that person. Okay, awesome. And now next question is, what am I going to give today? What I'm going to give today? I'm going to give a lot of energy. I'm going to give a lot of knowledge. I'm going to I'm going to give I'm going to give today. I will do one thing. I want to give, from Zomato, I will give some food for the people who are not. I'm also the person who is not able to have food on proper time, but I have money, but still I'm not able to get food on time. So what I can give some food to from Zomato or from anywhere. Like I will provide some food for any people who are starving, because I can feel that feeling in my heart right now. Okay, so just think about what you are going to give today. Now next is primary question. This is a very important question for each and every one of us. A lot of people think I know that I'm growing, I'm improving, but this will make a big change. How can I become even better while appreciating even more of who I am and the love that is inside of me right now? Just type wow. If you love this thought, just type wow. Just type wow if you love this thought. Okay, we always need to seek that how I can change, how I can bring more change in myself, how I can improve more. Okay, you don't need to a reason to celebrate every day of your life. Just type party in the comment box if you are ready to do party today. Just type party if you are ready to do partying today. Just type party if you are ready to do party today. Awesome, guys. I want to share one more thing for you all, guys. Okay, let me share one thing. Okay, uh one thing I just remembered right now, and I think we should do something today. Okay, I want. Okay, um how many of you are able to see the screen? Let me show you the screen. Okay, this is Mr. Chang. Okay, he's the person who recorded complete video making mastery course. He is the person who supported my journey when I was not even able to speak in English. Okay, I was trying to make videos. I just met him in a gym and I said like, hey bro, what are you doing? And we connected, and like I used to read from the script and used to speak in front of camera. I was not able to speak at all. From that point, this guy is helping me to record my videos. And this person, today is his birthday, and this is very special day for me. As I said, party. So guys, this is a person who recorded Video Making Mastery. So is it our is it our responsibility to show the gratefulness to him? Okay, just type happy birthday Chang, Chang. You can say this Chang, Chang. His name is Chandrakant, but we all say him Chang. Okay, so now can you do one thing, guys? I just want your 5-second video, just a 5-second video. What you have to say? Let me tell you what you have to say. Just a 5-second video in our Telegram group or on a Facebook group, wherever you can say. Just you have to say happy birthday Chang from Video Making Mastery family. Just a simple sentence. Just a simple sentence. I want you to make a video of 2 to 5 seconds. 2 to 5 seconds of video, and I will start that Telegram group. Okay, I will start the Telegram group where you can post, the videos. Okay, where you can post the videos. I will activate that permission. I have activated that permission, and you can post video of just 4 to 5 seconds, where you can say, "Happy birthday, Chang, from Video Making Mastery family," just like this. Okay, I will do right now. Okay, I will do right now. I will do right now. Okay, just take a 4 to 4 seconds, guys. And Telegram link is. Let me share the Telegram link with you right now. Okay, Jairaj, can you share the Telegram link right now? Let me find the Telegram link right now. We should do this, guys. We should do this because I'm telling you, as I just right now I have told you about, we should be grateful, right? And this is the way of feeling grateful. Invite members, and I can't find the link here. Okay, let me find. Here is the link. Okay, copy the link and let me share the link with you guys. I have shared the link. You can copy that. Okay, I have shared the link. I can copy that, and let me record a video right now. Hey, bro Chang, happy birthday from Video Making Mastery family. Thank you so much for doing. Okay, see this, guys. Even I got some emotional. Let me record again. Okay. Hello, bro Chang. Thank you so much for being in my life and doing everything for me. Happy birthday. God bless you, and I will be always there in your life. And love you, man. Wow. So guys, go ahead, record that short video and post in our Telegram group. He is also inside our Telegram group. Okay. Let's put this video. Tag Chang. You can type CHANG. He is there. Just type Chang. Okay. Happy birthday, Chang. Awesome. I can see videos are coming. Okay. Just a 3 to 5 second video. That's it. Wow. Just tag Chang. You can, if you just type Chang, you will find it out. Okay. Just type Chang. In our Telegram group, go ahead and do it. Let me show you guys. You can see this. Wow. A lot of people are posting videos. Awesome. Awesome, guys. This is how we can show the gratitude towards our members. And we have a lot of team members right now. They are helping you every moment. And I'm trying to bring more and more people in our community, as a team, so that they can help you. And we should feel grateful for each and every one of us, right? Awesome. Awesome, guys. Love you all. Love you all. Thank you so much for doing this, because this person is very special for me in my life. And you are making his birthday very special by making short 3 to 5 second video. Please go ahead, wish him, and let me show you. Okay, he's this guy. Look at it. Is it an inspiration? Just type again inspiration. That's what I'm telling you, guys. He have one prosthetic leg, and he's always there with me. Okay, you can look at him. rock star of, you can look at this. This is Rowdy. And by the way, I have clicked this picture. Okay, you can see this. We went for a shoot that time, and he was there with me. The camera, you can see this. He was with me there for the shoot. Okay, he is the person. You can look at it. Just go ahead and let's inspire him to do a lot of things as he has been doing. Okay, look at it. Just type inspiration. If you are getting the inspiration from this, just type inspiration. Okay, and guys, I'm here to help each other. And we are like, when it's about my team, I don't think about just as a money. I just don't think about like, okay, I have to give money to that person as a job. No, I'm here to change complete life. He was the person who had a lot of mind blocks, a lot of problems, had wrong circles of people. But when we were working together, he started improving his mindset. He started improving his knowledge. He started growing. He started becoming strong and strong and strong. And he have climbed biggest mountain like of Maharashtra, Sahyadri, the Kalsubai. How many of you know the Kalsubai? He have even climbed that. Okay, he climbed that, guys. And I was there with me. You can see this. Just I've loved it. Lot of time we have like, I don't have this thing. We always feel like I don't have something in my life, right? Now if you see, he don't have one leg, but he is grateful for what he have. Okay, he say friend for his other leg. You can look at it. Okay, guys.
काय बोलतोय काका?
आणि मला असं इच्छा आहे की त्याचं एक सेल्फी काढली पाहिजे.
त्याचं नाव चँग आहे. चँग त्याचं नाव.
सलाम मारतो अशा माणसाला. खरं सलाम.
अरे बाप रे, चँग भाई फॅन फॉलोइंग यार.
We have climbed the
क्या बात है. Everyone is asking Chang for a photo. जय शिवाजी. जय शिवाजी. चलो चलो बाय गाइस. चलो बाय बाय. Man, you became celebrity now. Hello Chang, how is the Josh? Hi sir. How is the Josh? Hi sir. How is the Josh? Hi sir. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Woo!
guys. So that time, the Uri movie was recently launched, and that time we like hi Josh. Now you can see if you are feeling that energy, guys. Just type wow, just type wow. And I want you to do this kind of things to your friends and family. And if you see, like I'm feeling so grateful. I'm feeling so grateful now. Okay, let me close this now, and he's here now. So. Let me see the comments. Awesome. How many of you love that? And I have recorded that video, which I just shown you right now. I have recorded that video and I have presented that video to him. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for saying this. Let's get back to our 30 days morning ritual. I hope you have shared a lot of videos for wishing Chang happy birthday. Wow. And this is how we have celebrated our day. Okay. And this is around 1 hour. I think we should get started with our reasons why you should feel grateful for, like why you should wake up every single day. Okay, guys, if you are done with posting video for a Chang, just type done. Just type done. If you are done with the posting video for a Chang, just type done in the comment box, or else we can do it later on also. Okay, whole day his birthday is there, so you can do it anytime. You can do it anytime. Now, I would like to know, would you like to have, would you like me to do this today or tomorrow, or maybe next time we can do this 10 reasons why you should not sleep in the morning. Let me know, guys, because we are already 1 hour. We are already done with the 1 hour, and we should also follow the time. So what we'll do, we'll do this session for this 10 reasons why you should not sleep in the morning day after tomorrow, because tomorrow we are giving time for Sushil Dhanawde. Okay, because we need to be more punctual. And what we'll do is right now we'll take question answer session, right? So before that, let me bring Sushil Dhanawde if he's here, so that he will share few thoughts that what is he excited for tomorrow or not. Okay, just type SD in the comment box. Let me find him if he's here right now. Okay, Sushil bro, if you are here, just type yes. Sushil Dhanawde is here. Wow, let me take him. Okay, allow to talk more. Bro, start your video and show some excitement for tomorrow. Sushil, are you there?
Yes,
Start your video, bro. We want to see you.
just a minute. I am searching for the video.
I think it is not giving option for a video, right?
Yeah.
I think inside the settings, I have that option. Okay. I think inside the setting, I have that option. Is there any option of... Okay, give me a second. I think we don't have option for that. Let's take a surprise now. Okay, I can make a panel, make him panel.
You can make me a co-host like that, or maybe
Okay, I can make you host here, right? Like, give me a second.
co-host or post there.
It's not giving me the option, bro. Okay,
Okay.
it's not giving me the option. Give me a second. More. Yes, got it. Go ahead. Can you share your video right now?
Just a second.
I have made you host now. A penalty.
You cannot start your video because the host has stopped it. Okay. You need to give.
Now, yes. Now you go ahead.
Okay. Wow. Great.
Whoa.
I'm
Awesome,
enjoying
awesome.
celebrating just like you. Okay. This is my celebration. I'm obviously at my small home, but I'm celebrating. So this is my place, and this is my workplace. I work from home.
Awesome, awesome, guys.
Pratham, you are doing great job. Yeah, I really got surprised because we are the only person on this planet who is doing this ritual, morning ritual. Not a single person is doing this thing.
Yo. Wow, wow. Thank you, man.
Thank you so much, participant, for being at 7 a.m. It's such a morning and people are sleeping and you are doing so many things. Really great thing. Great, great, great. And Priyanks, obviously, I love Priyank. He's my very good friend, and whatever he has done, I was there in meditation. I was enjoying the meditation. Meditation is I do meditation every day. Most important thing, thank you for being me here. And being a hypnotist, I want to share something because we will be sharing so many things tomorrow.
Yes.
Exciting thing. Whichever things you are sharing, I will give the science behind it. Why we do affirmations, how hypnosis or self-hypnosis can help to build a physique, to build a good body, how you can increase your immune system, what is the science behind it,
Looking
and
in the lens. Yeah.
yes, and how you can do anything which is impossible. What is the science behind it? How you can do anything impossible? What is the science behind visualization? And we will see with a demonstration how with visualization you can do anything impossible. You will see
Wow.
on screen. And
Just type wow.
maximum participant, yeah, please say wow because you are going to experience it. I don't think that you are experiencing it in your life, and if you are experiencing it, you will experience it again.
Yes.
Yeah, great. Wow. So but this is really, I love this response. The people are really great,
Wow. And again type wow 100% if you will be there 100% tomorrow. Just type wow 100%.
This energy I can see after 1 year, after 6 months, each and every participant will be at such a top level on this planet, and all those credit goes to you and those people who are participating, and everyone is doing phenomenal job, and I love this video.
Wow.
Thank
Let's do it, guys. And you can give me the host access right now. So guys, thank you so much, Sushil, for going to give a valuable time right now also. And tomorrow we are super excited for learning a lot of things from you. And guys, just type again excited if you are excited for this tomorrow's session. Okay, just type excited and don't miss this session.
Yeah. And
Don't miss this session.
Be ready with action, obviously.
Yes.
With proper t-shirt and short, we don't need anyone without short or without t-shirt.
Yes,
Okay.
be in a
Please
short
be-
and just t-shirt. Yes.
Please ready with a gym chick and wear your shoes, please. If you
Yeah.
don't have shoes, it's okay, but please wear your shoes.
Yes.
Because this is the one thing I do in morning. As soon as I wake up in morning, after my morning ritual, like drinking water, doing meditation, as soon as before starting workout, whatever it takes place, I just wear my shoes. After
Wow.
wearing my shoes, you will be ready for workout. Till the time you are not wearing your shoes, you will not feel that you have to do workout. But as soon as you wear your shoes, even at your home, you will be ready for the workout. So just think about it.
Wow.
Just wear your shoes.
Man, this is a great tip, man. I have never thought about it. But now how many of you are feeling this that man, that's true. If I wear a shoes, it gives us instruction to our mind that you are ready for the workout.
Yes.
People are saying what a wow. That's true. Wow. Loved it, guys. And now we will start with our question answer session. I will invest my more 15 to 20 30 minutes for answering your question, because a lot of people are joining Video Making Mastery every single day, and I don't want anybody to feel stuck. I don't want anybody to feel, oh, where I am. Okay, I just want to make them feel you are at the right place. Just type I am at the right place. Just you can type right place if you are feeling like I'm at the right place on the planet right now. Just type right place. RP. Okay. RP. Wow. You can see the response, Sushil, now.
Wow.
Guys, okay. So now let's take even Sushil be here. Let's answer their questions. Okay, I'm gonna take. I'm gonna bring one link where you can ask all your questions. What are the questions you have? Okay, let me open this. Okay, this is a form. I'm gonna give a link for a form. I just want you to copy that form and okay, give me a second. Here you go. Guys, this is the form. Let me control V. Yes. Just copy that form link. Okay. Copy that form link. Let me share a screen. Okay. When you open this form, you will have ask your query. Okay. You can ask your question here. Name Purushottam. Type ask me questions. Okay, whatever questions is there, you can put your question here and submit. Just go and do it and just say done. If you're done with that, just say done. And I'm gonna bring, give me a second. Awesome. Ujjwal Pandey. Sushil, how can be consistent in any work? Go ahead.
Okay.
If you can answer this question.
See, any person who want to be a consistent, he should be passionate about that work. Okay, so build a passion about that work so that you will be consistent. Because every day, just think about it, in which segment you are consistent. What are the things which you feel, okay, I want to be consistent in that. Like you brush every day. Why? Because you have to brush. You know, because after brushing, you are going to eat something. So you are consistent in that. But what are the things which are consistent and you have to do? Like you wear your clothes, you do regular meal, you have to eat your meal. Why you do that? Because you know the seriousness about it. If you don't eat meal, you know that it will going to hamper your growth. It will affect your body. So the same way to create a consistency. For example, if you want to learn something, like say example, video mastery, you have to make video every day. This is the consistency you need. So are you passionate about it? You just ask about it. What is the result? What are the actual result after 1 year, after 2 years? So just think about it. Write that goal in front of you and you'll be concerned. See that goal every day. I think Purushottam is doing that thing. Purushottam is forcing you to write a goal in front of you. The vision, if the vision is in front of you, will be consistent. Just like I have to do it. Just give an example. You have a biggest responsibility. You tell me, Sachin Tendulkar, and he's a great player. And if he stop playing, or suppose right now you say MS Dhoni, if you stop practicing every day, what is the great responsibility on his head? He has to play for India. Just take that biggest responsibility on your head that you have to do it something for India, for nation. Then it will be a consistency. Don't do it for yourself only. And then you will do that.
Sushil, what if they think like their world is their family?
Yes.
The nation is their family. And you have to play for your nation, for your family.
Yeah.
Okay. The way Dhoni, like it doesn't matter. Like maybe you are thinking like I need to be in a Olympic or no. Just think like you are in an Olympic right now.
Yes.
And when somebody is in Olympic, what happens? Every family members start watching them. How many of you have watched Milka Singh, like which movie name? Bhag Milka Bhag, right?
Bhag Milka Bhag.
So when he was on a like on a field where before starting, every movie have shown all the family members, the people who are at a home, people who are at a village. Everybody is watching, eyes on them. Likewise, think about you are in a race right now. You are in a race right now. If anybody, whatever you are doing online business, if you are doing coaching, training, whatever you are doing, you are in a one race. And think about every family member is watching you, and every family member want you to win in this game. And you have to run for it. You have to take actions. How you can be responsible? How you will not be consistent in your life right now? Tell me. Send comment below. Wow, if you love this thought.
Awesome.
Just type wow. Awesome, guys. Next question is, due to some reasons, I stopped making videos after 2 days. I want to start again. Please support me. Thank. What is that some reasons? Again, we have just talked about that reason, right, Sushil?
Yes.
Yeah, we have just given you the reasons. There are a lot of people are waiting for your answers. A lot of people are waiting for your knowledge, for your message. And unless and until you master this skill, this is a root. Right now, Sushil is able to speak effectively in front of you all, even though he know hundreds of people are here, but still he is responding and sharing his knowledge effectively. Why? Because he's been practicing making videos. Am I right, Sushil?
Yes.
And it is really important for you to do this. This is the roots. These are the roots. Okay. And type roots gives us fruits. Just type in the comment box. Roots equal to fruits. Just type roots equal to fruits. Ujjwal saying, I found my answer. Awesome. Make sure you choose all penalties and attendees. Guys, choose all penalties and attendees so that everybody can watch. Everybody can see your comments. Type roots equal to fruits. Awesome. Jay is talking about how to grow on social media. To grow on social media right now, you need to master video making skill. That's the basic, as I just talked about roots. And then second thing, you have to monetize your knowledge, okay, with whatever the money you have, and invest that money in paid ads to grow on social media. This is the best way, and everybody is doing that. Don't run behind only organic and waste your years and years and years. How many of you love this? If you don't have money, you start monetizing. If you earn 100 rupees, invest that 100 rupees in your online presence. Start running ads. With 40 rupees, you can start running your first ad to promote your social media account. Okay, 40, 80, 100 rupees, 200, 500, 1000 rupees a day. This is what you can do. And when you put more content, valuable content, then only people will follow. So what you have to do, I hope you got an answer. First is master this skill. Second, start creating value. Third, start monetizing your knowledge. And fourth, start investing that money in an ad to promote your brand. Just type loved it. And I'm going to share everything step by step, how you can monetize your knowledge in Video Monetization Mastery, which is only for the people who have fire in them to monetize their skill and knowledge. And if you are here who loves to monetize knowledge, just type monetize. If you want to monetize your knowledge, just type monetize. Just type monetize in the comment box if you love to monetize your knowledge, because that's the best way to grow on social media. I'm growing on social media right now. And if you see, in this year itself, I will have 1 lakh subscribers on my YouTube channel. And I'm challenging in front of you right now. Why? Because I'm monetizing my knowledge. I'm going to invest my more money and all the energy to produce more content, to edit more content, to have my team, to invest in ads, to invest in promoting myself. And that's how I will grow faster. Okay. If you want to grow, like be lifelong, then that's your choice. Okay. But the best way is to monetize your skill and knowledge and invest that money to grow. Did you like this, Sushil?
Yes.
Awesome. Awesome. Next is Kura Vijay Kumar saying, Sushil sir, what is your specialty in morning ritual? Go ahead.
Okay. So tomorrow we are going to see how body and mind works all together. Means how the suggestion can work on your body and how the visualization can work on your body to make you fit, immune, and everything. And even we will see the ritual in actions. It is not the only thing that you have to sit. So you will be in action. You will do some warm up and some workout, not high intensity, because I don't want every person who has just started and will do high intensity workout. But
Yeah.
if you slowly grow together and you will start doing that, at least you will have some burning of calories every day. Okay. I'm a life coach and a hypnotherapist, but tomorrow we'll work on body and mind.
Awesome. Awesome.
Okay.
Next question is, thank you, Sushil, for answering this. Zerin talking about how can we be determined and firm in our decisions. Hello, Zerin. Here is my answer for you. Decisions are never right or wrong. How many of you believe on this? Just type I agree. Decisions are never right or wrong before taking them. Let me complete the sentence. Decisions are never right or wrong before taking them. So a lot of people are confusing, should I take this decision or not? Should I take this decision or not? But they don't know the decisions are never right or wrong before taking them. Once you take the decision, you have 100% rights in your hand to make that decision right. Now, when you take that decision, you have to have in your mind that now I need to make this decision right. And that's how you will be determined and firm in your decision. when you know that I need to make this decision right. Maybe some people will say this is wrong, but you have 100% right in your hand to make that decision right. This is how you will be determined and firm in your decision. How many of you loved the answer? Just type loved it. You can say love you, Purushottam. How was it, Sushil?
Awesome.
Guys, you will get this kind of instant response only when you work on inner world. Whatever yesterday our mentor Dr. MV Priyank talked about, you need to work on your inner world. Why I'm able to respond to you directly? Because my mind is active, my inner world is strong right now. Whatever question comes, I will respond it right away. Okay, let's go for the next question. P. Sushma, thank you for asking this question. Why sometimes we get ideas energy as if something I have to do now? Why sometimes we get ideas energy as if something I have to do now? I can change many things in a good way, and sometimes we become very passive and this mood swings. Give me a second. What happened is my team member created this and he have not given me access to edit the file, man. Let me call Vitesh right now. Okay, let me call Vitesh right now.
Purushottam, I can answer this question.
Yeah, you can answer this, bro, directly.
See, Sushma, one thing is important that which are things like we say that, okay, it is autonomous, or we get this ideas automatically, means it goes with the flow. Okay, we get this ideas energy, like you have to do it right now. We feel that it's like an intuition, but it's not like intuition. Most important thing is our subconscious mind is getting filled with so many things, so many words, so many ideas, so many videos. Like every day we are getting so much of information, and our subconscious mind start thinking about it. And whichever ideas which you love, like whichever ideas you have connected, you have connection in your subconscious mind, that ideas flows out of your mind. Wherever it's a connection of your serotonin, which is a happy hormones. Like have you seen that? Okay, there is a happy hormones. So whenever there is a happy hormones which gets secreted with one specific idea, that idea you like it. For example, whenever you see a movie, when you watch a movie, or whenever you heard, okay, you have to watch a movie, instantly a happy hormones start secreting from your subconscious mind, from your mind. And you love the idea, okay, I have to watch a movie. So this is the idea which gets generated every time. Whenever, even it's a new idea, like you have to make a video on something special. This idea gets generated because in your subconscious mind, this particular data is already filled and you get connected to that happy hormones. It is just a simple science. Sushma, are you okay with the answer, or you want more clarification about it?
Just type wow. P. Sushma, just type wow. And also thanks Sushma for asking this question.
Yeah.
Just type thank you, Sushma. Sushma saying how to overcome that problem.
So it is not a problem. See, what you can do, which are the things, which are ideas you want to generate, or which are the things you have to set. Like suppose specific goals you have set. So you have to repeatedly say to yourself. That's why we do the affirmations. If you keep on doing all those positive affirmations continuously, those bad ideas or negative things will not come out. It will overcome, all those positive ideas will overcome the negative things. Or otherwise we will do one single session for that, for all those people, so that any negative ideas, if it is coming, you can overcome that idea instantly within fraction of second.
Awesome. Awesome. Let's go to the next question. Vijay asking, I'm good at writing and reading English. How can I improve speaking English? My friend, there are 3 levels of this. Okay. The first level is when we don't understand English and we go for like, wow, then you start gradually, you start understanding English. Second thing is you start writing English properly. Okay. Maybe let's go for the 3 to 4 levels. Let me speak now. Okay. So we will start understanding English. Then you'll start writing English. And how many of you think that you are really good at thinking in English? Means when you want to speak something in English, and when you think that thoughts or any speech in English in your mind, you speak effectively. How many of you are there? Just type me. Just type me in the comment box. Just type me. Okay. The first level is we understand. Second, we start writing things. Third thing, we start like speaking effectively in English when we are thinking in mind. And when it comes to speak out loud, we face problem. Just type I am that person. Just type me. Just type yes. You can type yes. If you are the person who think better in English in my mind, but when it comes to speak out loud, you face problem. Just type yes. Why? Because when you don't understand English, you practice a lot to understand English. Am I right? I'm making you sense right now. Let me tell you. You start getting in front of English a lot. Then you start understanding English, and then you leave that level and you go on the next level where you are able to speak in English really well in your mind. Okay, and you start thinking more in English a lot all day. And here is one more better solution for you, that you have to stop thinking in your mother tongue if you truly want to speak in English. Okay, and that's the way you will improve speaking in English in your mind a lot. Thinking in English. So think in English to speak in English. You can write it down. Think in English, speak in English. And now a lot of people stuck in this level, where mind level. They think in English really well, but to speak out loud, we need to take physical actions. माइंड में सोचने के लिए एक्शन लेने की जरूरत नहीं. लेजी लोग करते वो लोग ऑटोमेटिक, है ना भाई. जस्ट टाइप लॉल. लेजी लोग इजीली कर लेते वो, माइंड में सोच लेते हैं. बट to speak out loud, you have to come out of the comfort zone, and that there a lot of people don't take action. There comes like, what if I do mistake? What if people don't like if I speak in English? What if? There are multiple what if. And I want from now you to start doing these two things. First thing is, start watching videos which are English. Follow your mentor, whoever mentor you follow who speak better English than me. Okay, and you can start watching this channel. Okay, let me show you that. Team Fearless. Okay, this is the channel, guys. And when you go on this channel, you will find, okay, if you see this, let me go back. All the videos, you can see this red line. I have watched every day. I watch this every day. Means whenever I get chance, I used to listen this. They have text also on this top. You can see I create this. Okay, you can see a lot of things. So watch this and recall whatever they are saying. If you see this, let me show you. Listen to this.
When you wake up every morning,
let me show you.
What drives you?
What drives you? Let me show you example. Okay,
if you want to live a life of
success,
a life of complete success, happiness and fulfillment, you must find your purpose. You see, if you don't know what your purpose is, if you don't know what drives you, what inspires you, then you have no reason to improve your life. How can you improve your life if you have no reason to improve it?
Your purpose is always something that lights a fire in you. I will do this no matter what. My family is counting on me. My friends are counting on me. I am counting on me. So write down your purpose. Carry it with you everywhere. Feel it deep and promise yourself every day you will live out your purpose with zero excuses.
Why do you do what you do? Why do you do what you do? What's the reason? Why do you exist?
Got it, guys? I will not invest my more time, but I hope you got idea that what I do, this is the first thing you have to do. Just I have loved it. If you loved it. So what I used to do, this is the video I used to watch even when I was not able to understand English properly. This is the video I used to watch and hear and repeatedly every single day in the morning in my first year or second year of college, where everybody used to put me down in my college. Everybody used to say like, please behave like your name. Everybody used to say like, you are dumb. You are not even able to complete assignment on your time. What you can do in your life? Go to your home, work in your farm, खेत में जाके काम करो. एक प्रोफेसर ने मेरे को ये भी बोला था कि कितना खेती है तेरे घर पे. मैं बोला कुछ होगा 5-10 एकड़ 15 एकड़ जो भी है. उसने बोला कि why not you go to your home to do farming? This kind of, I still remember these things, but I used to listen these kind of things, guys, and I'm here right now. Okay, and all these teachers who told me, now they will be proud. This is the first thing you have to do. If you are not able to speak in English, if you want to get in the energy, you have to watch this kind of videos and call out loud, speak it loud. Okay, that's the first thing. Got it? Wow, just I've loved it. Again. Okay, awesome, awesome. And second thing is, start speaking with yourself a lot whenever you're alone. That's the answer for you. And this is very important answer for a lot of questions, a lot of people. That's why I thought to share with you guys. Okay, you can get this link. You can just type Team Fearless. You will find this channel, or you can find this lot of channel like this where you can go through this. Okay, there are a lot of channels who have this kind of videos. Let me go here. Okay, I think we can answer 2-3 more questions, right, Sushil?
Yeah.
Did you love this idea of improving English? This is my another level of idea where like I don't go and follow like where to use could, where to use why, and all the kind of things. You will mess up your thinking, because how many of you think that you will have more than 50% mark if I give you exam of grammar of your mother tongue? Just type 10%. If you think like you will fail in your grammar exam of your mother tongue, you will be fail. Just type I am fail. Just type I am fail. Just type I am fail in a grammar exam of, you can just type fail, grammar exam of your mother tongue. Then why you are still able to speak effectively? Because listening skill, you have to copy. If you want to speak effectively, you have to copy. Okay, copy and speak. Copy and speak. That's what you did in your childhood. You used to listen to your mom, your dad, your uncle, your father, mother, everybody. You're around, your surrounding, and you started recalling those words slowly. And if you worry about grammatical mistakes and all the things, your growth will be very slow. I'm not saying by learning grammar you will not able to speak English, but the speed will be very slow. Okay, just type again, loved it. Now we have invested a lot of time in this question. How morning ritual help for video making masters? The morning ritual will help for video making master in the way where I want. Guys, you are not here. Let me go full screen. Okay, and I'm talking with you right now. Okay, you are not here just to master video making skill. I'm not here just to teach you mastering video making skill. You are here to impact a lot of people. You are here to share your knowledge, your experience to improve somebody's life. And my friend, if you are not impacting yourself, how you are able to impact other life? If by not doing morning ritual, you are impacting yourself, but in opposite way, that means in a negative way. And if you impact yourself in a negative way, there is no chance of impacting others' life in a positive way. How many of you loved it? Just type yes. You cannot impact others' life by impacting yourself in a negative way. And if you don't do morning ritual, you will not have good energy. You will not have good thoughts. You will not have good mindset. You will not have good values in you. You will be a lazy person. How you will able to make improvement in somebody's life? How you can make a transformation in somebody's life? And I'm telling you guys, you are not just here to only make an impact. You are also here to make some money so that you can support your family. Okay, because with experience, with impacting other life, you cannot feed your family. You need money for that. And for money, you need to monetize your knowledge. And to monetize your knowledge, people should be there who would love to invest in you. And people will not invest in you if they don't see that you can make a change in their life. And if you are not following morning ritual, you will not able to make change in your life. And the same is for other people. You will not able to make change in others' life. So nobody will invest money in you. Hence proved that you need to follow morning ritual to become video making master, because you are not here just to make videos. You are here to make others' lives. You are here to impact in others' lives. Just type impact in the comment box if you love the answer. That you are not here to just make videos, you are here to make impact. And I'm telling you guys, I could have just be at home right now. I could have sleeping by just giving you my course, because my course is awesome. People are enjoying even if I'm not there, people are still enjoying my course. They are going through course, they are getting transformation. But I'm not here just for your transformation. I want you to impact in other life and make transformation in other life. And that will happen only when you have these values, your morning ritual, the habits, the thoughts, the mindset, the happiness, the energy, the determination, the love, and everything you should have in your life. That's the only way you will impact in other life. Just type impact 100%. And this is why I'm here. Type energy. Type energy. And guys, thank you so much for being here. I'm not able to access Telegram link. Please somebody go ahead, copy the Telegram link and send it to Jagit Kaur. Jairaj sent Telegram link to Jagit Kaur. You will get a personal message, Jagit. Don't worry, okay? Now, guys, I think we have a lot of questions. What do you think, Sushil? We should cover it or make it done? Next question is for you. Okay. Sushil sir, how to improve my body growth and how to gain body weight?
Okay. So I will have a quick question, quick answer, because to gain body weight, you need to have good amount of protein, because you need to grow muscles. It's not you need to grow fats. So do exercise every day, and 80% is diet normally. So 80% diet means what? You need to have good amount of protein. If you're, for example, if your weight is 70 kg, you need to have minimum amount of protein of 70 gram per day. Mm-hmm. So if you want to gain weight above that, so you need to have 100 gram of protein every day. So protein should be natural source, 80% natural source, and 20% can be in the form of whey powder, whey protein, which is again natural milk powder, not a milk powder, which is a process through milk. So you can have that. So this is just a single answer, but we'll work, or we'll answer tomorrow, because it's more about body. Tomorrow we are going to cover the session.
Tomorrow we will cover that.
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's go through the questions very fast now. Okay.
Yeah.
Fast. How do I create structured videos in stage 2 with support of Xmind? My friend, I have already taught everything step by step there. Okay. Make sure you just have to, first thing you have to learn is making a mind map, which I have already taught inside that course. Okay. If you see this mind map I have created. Okay. If you see this mind map I have created. So just you have to create a mind map and record a video. And my technical team also going to record one more video for you all, how you can record videos very easily. Even if you don't have this webcam right now because of lockdown, a lot of people don't have the webcam. Even if you see this Zoom is also for free for 40 minutes. I think they have closed down that offer. I don't know. But what you can do is there is a Loom, Loom. This is a software where you can record your screen with your webcam easily. Have this thing, and I will do one thing. I will tell Vitesh to record that video today itself and send in our Telegram group so that you can follow it. Okay. But to learn that, you have to go and follow them. To learn that, you have to go and follow the stage 2, right? Awesome. I hope you got the answer. Just type yes. Biswajit is saying how to give more focus to everybody. How to give more focus to everybody. Are you getting it, Sushil? I think question is incomplete, right?
To clarify it, no. I couldn't get that question.
Okay. Biswajit, if you are there, type in a comment box. What do you want to say?
Are you talking about influencing everybody?
How to give more focus to everybody?
So that other people will focus on you. Are you talking about that?
Biswajit, are you there? Okay, let's take the next question. Purushottam, can I share the morning session with my wife, please? Because in this quarantine situation, I'm at Bhubaneswar and she at her parents' home. Man, please do it. I will be grateful if you do that. Okay? Please share it. Even I have given morning ritual on our YouTube channel also. How many of you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel? Please go ahead on YouTube. Just type URLIFEPAL. I'm the only one on the planet, Your Life Pal. Your Life Pal means your life's best friend. If you search Your Life Pal, only you will find me on the internet. आप YouTube पे जाओ, आप Google पे जाओ, wherever you search Your Life Pal. Oh, sorry, I searched the link for my course. Okay, let me search URLIFEPAL. Even if you just search Your Life Pal on a Google itself, you will find my YouTube channel here itself. Okay, you will find only me. Even if you search my name Purushottam Hamberde on a Google, okay, you will only find me on all the internet everywhere. So that's why please go on a Your Life Pal and subscribe to this channel. And here is a video for morning ritual. You can see this morning ritual. I want everybody should go ahead and watch this video. If you see, like, a lot of people are commenting, they are loving this content. You can see this, loved it. So go ahead, search Your Life Pal right now and subscribe to the channel. That's how. Okay, let me share the link if you want. Let me share the link. You can copy and paste. Let me share the link in the comment box right now. How many of you want to know Sushil Dhanawde's YouTube channel. Just type SDYT. If you want to know Sushil Dhanavad's YouTube channel. If you want to subscribe to Sushil Dhanavade channel, just type SD. Just type SD. People are typing SDYT. Awesome. Let me search Sushil Dhanavade here.
You can search only Sushil Hypnosis.
Sushil Hypnosis. Oh,
yeah.
we are getting it now. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's go ahead. Let's support our mentor. Okay, let me put this link here. Okay, we have 541 right now.
Even our video is there.
Guys, we have 541 subscriber. Let's make it 600 now.
Wow, thank you so much.
Okay, because now telling you guys, a lot of people, they just want to watch the entertainment kind of thing. But when you see the knowledge I have, so it doesn't matter about based on the subscriber, but still people have mindset like the person has to have more subscriber. How many of you believe that knowledge is important than subscribers? But still, if you see, a lot of people don't watch knowledge and mindset kind of things. Okay, and that's why like we need to have that kind of subscribers and views, and that's how people will follow more. Okay, so everybody, whoever mentor comes in our community, we should give back by following them. Okay, and you will learn more things. If you see, sleep is a $1 million investment. The first video, if you go there, you'll find sleep is a $1 million investment. I want today you go and watch this. Sleep is a $1 million investment, so that today you can sleep properly. Guys, type sleep in the comment box. Just type sleep. If you are going to watch this video of sleep is a $1 million investment, just type sleep in the comment box. Just type sleep. Watch that video. Okay, and follow his channel, and tomorrow he will be here to give you a lot of knowledge. Okay, now let's get back to our here. Okay, so you can share that video with your wife. Okay, who have asked that question? Yes,
Subrat Sethi.
Yeah. Parth Tanay saying, if anybody gets injured, should he continue workout or break? He's asking if anybody gets injured.
See, if the injury is at a very high level, you should take a rest. But normally, if there is an injury in my place, I normally continue my workout. I don't stop anywhere because I have a ligament injury. I will share that tomorrow, how my experience about ligament injury. I have shared on my YouTube video also. Because whenever there is an injury which is not beyond that level, means if it's not much painful, you keep doing some workout so that the muscles will get healed. Because if you get stopped, like you can take a rest for 2 to 3 days. That's it. After that, again start continuing. Your body will get healed. Your body will get healed. It depends on your capacity, how you can take the pain.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Next, Vikas, how to come out of the comfort zone for more in life? I don't want you to come out of comfort zone. Type why. क्या बोल रहा है ये? What are you talking about? Just type why. Just type what? What? I don't want you to come out of comfort zone. Just type what? Are you crazy? I want you to increase your comfort zone. I want you to increase your comfort zone. Now, the people who are on a stage right now, okay, let's take an example of Tony Robbins. He have not come out of the comfort zone. He have increased his comfort zone so that he's comfortable. He's comfortable. Like we think like he's out of comfort zone. No, he have increased his comfort zone and he's comfortable on the stage right now. Maybe you think coming in front of camera is out of comfort zone. You think that, right? Just type me. If you think coming out of speaking in front of camera is out of comfort zone, just type me. So what you have to do, you have to take that thing into your comfort. That means you have to increase your comfort. You don't have to come out of the comfort zone. How many of you loved it? Just type loved it. And how you can do it? By taking massive, inspired, imperfect actions. Maybe you're taking massive, inspired actions, but you will not continue this after 5 days, 10 days, 20 days. That's why I say imperfect action. That means you can take it imperfect actions today, tomorrow, and every day in your life. So take massive, inspired, imperfect actions and increase your comfort zone. Don't think about coming out of comfort zone. When we think about coming out of comfort zone, how many of you agree that somewhere it is negative, that we are not willing to come out of comfort zone? There is somewhere negative. Just type negative, type ng. If you think that is like the looking at that thing is somewhere a negative part, but when we think about increasing comfort zone, it is positive, it's happy. Just type loved it. Mananda Singh, gratitude for this thought. Thank you. Actually, it's focusing more on learning than regular routine. Wow. Next is Johar. I have an intense face. I have to put extra effort to look happy. How can I have a smile the whole day on my face? Like you, Mr. Purushottam. You just keep smiling. How can I have that charm on my face? Oh my God. What is this question, Sushil?
See, Johar, most important thing, why people smile? Because there is happiness inside. Okay, so keep yourself happy inside, keep yourself inspiring, and you will be happy, because this is connected. Body and mind is connected. If you actually make a forceful smile also, it will not help you. Means you can't create a negative thought in your mind. Suppose if you keep smiling, and vice versa, if you keep thinking about positive thoughts, there will be a smile on your face. Okay, and every day you should feel that, okay, I have to be happy. I am happy. I am one of the most happiest person on this planet. Just think about it. You will have a smile on your face.
Wow. Now one more thing you have to say, like, I am the greatest person ever born on this planet.
Yeah, wow.
Go ahead and type right now and write it down on a paper. I am the greatest person ever born on this planet. Why the hell you have doubt in your mind that you are not the greatest person on this planet? Why? We have got this one life, man. We have to always think about this. I am the greatest person ever born on this planet. Don't limit your thought. And when you think about this, then man, you will be happiest person all the time. Okay? When I was in a childhood, like I don't used to believe on this thing also, that I'm the greatest person on the planet. And just imagine if I didn't have this kind of limiting, like this kind of belief system, and if I had the limiting belief system, is it possible for me to come here and share and become who I am right now? Not at all. Okay, so be happy always and feel like you are the greatest person on this planet you are living right now. Okay. Next question is Sanjay saying how to overcome blocks by awareness. Am I right, Sushil?
Yes.
By having awareness about the thing where you have, like, if you think I have a mind block about speaking in front of camera, once you get the awareness about that, why I am going to speak, why it is important to share this knowledge. Now just take an example. I have a thought to speak now, and I am trying and failing a lot. And once, like, I am focusing on speak better. I'm only focusing on speak better. This is the first option. I'm only focusing on I'm doing mistake. I want to speak better. And second option, if I'm thinking, man, somebody is waiting for this message and it is very important to share this. Now tell me which option will clear that mind block of speaking effectively. 1 or 2. Just type, give me answer. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Which option? First option or second option? Second option is having awareness that why I want to speak, why I want to share this message. Okay, that's how you can overcome any block, by having the awareness about that particular thing. Okay, we will not go deep into that right now. Okay, if anybody who like a Sanjay, who have a lot of blocks in your mind, if you are thinking, man, I'm not able to overcome this, I'm completely stuck, then personally you can connect with Sushil Dhanavade. He can take a special hypnotherapist session for you, okay, personally, and he will dedicate his time for you. Definitely you have to invest some money for that also, and that will not a huge lot of money, but there will be some amount, because he is dedicating his time, and we have to value our time. Just value the time. Just value the time in the comment box. Okay, and this is only for the person who feel like completely stuck, not able to go ahead. And Sushil is the person who have saved a lot of lives, people who were nearly suiciding, and they came across to Sushil, and he have like killed all those blocks from that person's mind, and that those people are living great life right now. That's why I have huge respect for the Sushil, because he's changing lives. He's not just only changing life, he's saving life. If anybody have complete block in mind, you will also find Sushil Dhanavade in our Telegram group. Just type search Sushil, you will find Sushil Dhanavade. Okay, you can connect him personally. Next is Nisha. How help my friend to be consistent in the video making mastery so that he can achieve his goal. You can help now. Whatever the knowledge you got from this session, if you are here, Nisha, you can help your friend to be consistent right now. You got a power now. Just type, I am the power. If you got the power by understanding all the answers, guys, just type, I am the power. Just type, I am the power. I'm the power. Yes, you are the power. Have ideas to do, but no idea to execute. How to overcome? Sushil, go ahead.
Okay. Most important thing that ideas can be generated by any person. Is if you ask any of your friend and you ask, okay, I want an idea on this business, he will give thousands of ideas. But most important, how to execute. So what you should do, come out with a very small idea, execute it, and give a reward to you. Unless until you are not giving your reward, because my mentor TV Hacker says that every time you should give a reward for your small task. As soon as you start giving a reward for a small task, you will start generating and executing more and more ideas. So like for example, you have to do a small video, say 1 minute video, give a reward, a small reward. A reward means that it should not be expensive reward. You can have a small cup of tea or small cup of coffee, which you don't want to take it right now because of health reason. Just take a reward and then execute another idea. Start with another idea, with a bigger idea, then bigger idea, so that your muscle memory will help you to execute idea every time. Whenever the idea will come, you will execute instantly. But you need to practice every day, just like exercise. A small idea to larger idea.
Awesome, awesome. That's the way to go ahead. Okay. Start now, start simple.
Yes.
Just type start now, start simple. We already have a mentor, right? Whose name is Dan Ram. And I will also bring him in one of our training. How many of you are excited for bringing Dan Ram into our session? Just type Dan Ram. Give me a second. I will, give me a second. When I will say, then you will type right now, okay? Give me a second. And let me record a quick video. So guys, we have hundreds of people in our community right now. And how many of you want Dan Ram to be in our community, at least for the ones to guide you all? Just type Dan Ram. Go ahead, Dan Ram. Just type Dan Ram, because already people started typing start now, start simple, right? Start now, start simple. You can see Dan Ram, Dan Ram. Wow. So bro, Dan Ram, I'm sending you this video and I will be so grateful, and my whole community of thousands of people will be very grateful if you come here once and share your knowledge. And you can see this, the flood of Dan Ram. Dan Ram, wow. Just type again, wow. Awesome. Okay. And because I love you, bro, and I know you love me a lot, and I'm 100% sure you will be here one day, and I will do whatever it takes to do that. Let's do it. So I will send this video to Dan Ram and he will definitely come here. So we need to do this kind of crazy, creative ideas. Now I will not say like, man, maybe Dan Ram will come or not. I will do whatever it takes to bring him into our session. Be crazy, guys. Just type I'm crazy. Just type I'm crazy. Biswaj is saying how to focus everybody in multiple work, like my job, my family. Okay, he want to ask how to focus on all the things in my life, multiple things, my life, job, my family, video making mastery, and all the things. Go ahead, Sushil. Maybe you can answer this.
Say everyone has a time. Like if we ask Mukesh Ambani whether he is busy doing handling Reliance, he has a time. He has time for so many other things. He do activities. Even if you ask any of the person how they are managing, like if you talk about Mark Zuckerberg, if you talk about Gary Vee, they do exercise every day. They handle every day. So the thing is that we have to manage time, because what we need to focus on where we are actually wasting our time. So you can use one single technique, which is called Pomodoro technique. Pomodoro technique is that how you are wasting your time or how you are actually managing your time. So suppose if you are into social media, just think about it, how much productive time you are giving for social media and how much is the actually waste of time. Suppose you are wasting time on social media, or how much time you are wasting on your chatting with your friends or talking on your friend. everyone can get a good amount of time for video making mastery. Suppose you are spending time with your parents, friends, everything is important. Work is important, but you can easily get at least half an hour, 5 minutes, 10 minutes for making video. So it is possible. Only thing that you have to manage, you have to calculate where you have wasted. So what you can do, every day you can make a small diary. Every day you find out where you actually wasted your time, and this particular time you can use for making videos. This is a very simple way, and you will find maybe 3 hours, 4 hours of your time that you have wasted, and instead of that you can have invest in video making mastery. Just try.
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. Guys, somebody said like why are not using question Q&A and option in our Zoom. Guys, once our session done, and if I'm not able to cover the questions, then that all question will be disappear. And I don't want any questions to disappear. I want to have that questions there. And that's why I'm taking this special sheet where I will have all these questions. Okay. That's why I'm doing that. Please don't put question in Q&A session of Zoom. And there are a lot of people have shared the questions there already. Please share your questions into our spreadsheet. Okay. The link I have already given you. Somebody go ahead and share the link again. If you want, I can share that link again. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask that question again. What are the questions you have? Okay. I think we are done with this. Next question is last question. How can I more monetize my knowledge? Thank you for asking this question. Let me show you. I think you're not able to see the screen, right? The last question is, how can I monetize my knowledge? How many of you have this question? Just type monetize. Just type monetize. How many of you have this question? Just type monetize in the comment box. Choose all penalties and attendees. Just type monetize. Just type monetize. Okay, awesome. Yes, let me share the link for the this also. Team VMM, where is it? Okay. For asking question, here is the link. Okay, again I will put the link so that you will find out. Here is the link. A lot of people are saying monetize. So let me help you for monetization. Okay. Now, what you have to do is you have to just search yourlifepal.co/monetize. Okay. And this is only for the qualified people who have completed a stage 1 from video making mastery. How many of you have completed 10 days? Just type 10. How many of you have completed 10 days? Just type 10 days. Just type 10 days. How many of you have completed your 10 days? Just type 10. Awesome. Jnaneshwar Kumar, Arun Kumar, Biranchi. Awesome. Partha, stage 1. How many of you complete 10 days? Just type 10 days. Subrat Sethi. Okay. Awesome. Rushikesh. So you have to go to this link. Okay. I'm sharing you right now. Okay. Later on today, you can watch this video where I have discussed everything about the monetization. The people who are in a stage 1, please focus on getting habit to make videos, and listen until you have this habit of making videos, how you will able to monetize it. Okay. That's why you have to go through first stage 1, and those who have completed 10 days, I would like if you to go here and you can go to this. You can see this. Not monetizing skill means disrespecting that skill. You have to monetize your knowledge. Right now, if you see, Sushil Dhanawade have a lot of knowledge. And just take an example. He is sharing that knowledge. Okay, right now, if you want a session of hypnotherapy, and he's just giving that free session, I'm 100% sure even that opposite person will not value that knowledge and not able to get that knowledge with a strong focus. Maybe he will not feel any difference in him because he will not pay attention to that knowledge. Okay, those who pay will pay attention. Those who pay attention will take more action. Those who take more action will get more results. And when person get results, and then what happens? That person, now Sushil Dhanawade, because of he charging for his value, for his knowledge, for his skill, he is monetizing that. And because of monetizing, that person is making getting change in that life, change in that person's life. So when people don't pay for your knowledge, they will not get results. And when you don't charge for your knowledge, you will not earn, and you will not respect your knowledge. How many of you love this thought that you need to respect your knowledge by charging for your knowledge, for valuing your knowledge? And that's how people will learn and take action. Just type loved it, that you need to charge. Just type I will charge. Go ahead and type, I will charge for my knowledge. Just type, I will charge. You have to charge for your knowledge. If you truly want somebody difference in somebody's life, I will charge. And those people who will not charge for your knowledge, they will not respect the knowledge, because it is our moral responsibility. How many of you think right now even we have more than 60 people in the session right now from the morning. How many of you think that you will be never here if you have not paid 2,000 rupees? Just type me. Just be like shameless here. Just type me. Misbah, Niranjan, Mananda, Prathamesh, Mahesh, Ajit. Everybody saying me. This is the practical. Okay. When we invest, we pay more attention. That's why I always say not monetizing a skill means disrespecting the skill. That's the explanation of why I'm saying this. So please go ahead, watch this. Okay. I have already shared the link with you all. You have to go ahead and watch this. Don't refresh the page, because after 30 minutes, there is one surprise for you, because I also value my knowledge as an entrepreneur. You have to invest some, but there is a great offer. You will get to know after watching this video. Okay. Just type, I will do it. Just type, I will do it. Today, anytime, whenever you get, you can go to that link, just copy that link, save that link, bookmark that link. Just type, I will do it. The people who have completed 10 days I'm talking about. Okay. So guys, we are nearly going to hit 2 hours, and oh my God, I really love this, your energy, guys. Thank you so much for being here. And Sushil, special thanks for you, man. You are still here right now.
I enjoyed it.
And you have answered a lot of questions to my community. And right now you are also part of our family.
Yes.
Who think Sushil is also our member of a family? Just a family now. Just a family. Just a family. Wow.
Thank you.
Welcome, Sushil, for coming into Video Making Mastery family. Okay. So guys, we have completed our 2 hours of session. In first hour, we have done meditation. We did morning ritual. We have went through a lot of thoughts and energy. We did question answer session for 1 hour. Oh my God. And Sushil also have answered a lot of questions. Thank you so much, Sushil. So, and how many of you think that a lot of people are missing a lot of knowledge by not joining Video Making Mastery? Just type missing out. Just type missing out if you think a lot of people are missing out by not becoming a part of Video Making Mastery. You can see this missing out. See this, guys, hundreds of comments of missing out. Don't miss out this knowledge and energy and all the things to improve your life. Join Video Making Mastery right now. You will find link in bio somewhere. You can send me message, hey Purushottam, give me link to join Video Making Mastery, and I will help you to do that. Okay. God bless you. Thank you so much for being here. देखो 1 minute के अंदर मैंने पूरा वीडियो भी बना दिया. Okay. It was a 59 seconds. So guys, thank you so much for being here. God bless you. Last, go ahead and type 100% if you will be here tomorrow. 100%. Just go ahead and type 100% and do one last thing for today. This is very important to tell people, other people, that why it is important that Video Making Mastery. So you just have to go here on a Facebook, just type Your Life Pal and start giving reviews. Okay. A lot of people who are going through the course, you appreciate me, you send me message, but it's important for us to tell other people. Okay. You have to go, just click on, just search Your Life Pal, go to reviews, and you can see this. A lot of people already started sharing their reviews. I would like, if you go ahead, please share your reviews here. Okay. I will just copy this link and share it to you here. So you can go ahead, please do it. Just type review. If you go and share your review in our Facebook page, just type review. I have shared this link. This is very important for me also. If you really love me, whatever I'm doing, the knowledge, the over delivering, whatever I'm doing, please go and type review. If you go ahead today and type the review, that what is your experience? You can see this people saying Purushottam is awesome, who wants to make your life good. He believes in the ideology that helping others can help make one's life great. His course is super awesome to start one on the journey of self-confidence practice, become visible and grow yourself in all dimensions. Thank you for your help, brother. Let's do it. How many of you think that I'm helping you to grow all dimensions? Just type 3D. 3D. How many dimensions we have, bro? I think 8 dimensions we have, right? In our life. Just type 8D. I know we have 8 dimensions. Just have 8D. 8D, all dimension. Okay. Awesome.